Excuse my appearance. Anyway, welcome back, you guys, and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I go by RishaaMariee, and if you are not new here, thank you so much for coming back. I appreciate you. Now, all you new people and people that do repeat and decide not to subscribe, go ahead and do that. Hit the subscribe button. It's on one of these sides. Hit that. Then hit your notification bell, and then also give me a thumbs up because I come on camera looking like Snoop Dogg. Thumbs me up for that, okay? So, in today's video, if you could tell by the thumbnail and, of course, the title, the reason why you clicked on this video, I'm going to attempt to do a bun with just one pack of Mariee hair. Now, I've been on this whole little kick. I talked about it in my last two videos of doing protective styles that last you for a week or so, and then you take them out, treat your hair, and do something else. Low manipulation styles. That's what I've been on. So, I've never done this before, ever. Don't really know how this gonna turn out, but if you seen this video, it obviously came out good enough. So let's just get started. All right, y'all, so I washed and conditioned my hair, and then I put it in these 4 plaits to kind of let it dry a little bit, and now I'm just gonna take them down. I made sure to put my leave-in and all that kind of on. It's still a little damp, but that's cool. We are not blow drying our hair for this look either. All right, you guys, all the braids are out. Now I'm just going to go through and quickly detangle my hair. Okay, you guys, all detangled. Now, again, my hair is still damp. So I'm going to go ahead and add just a little bit more moisturizer. I already put a leave-in and everything on, but I'm going to add this defining curl whip. Not for definition, but just for moisture. All right, y'all, I'm pulling it all up to the top because I'm doing a top knot. So, I did detangle already, so I'm just going to start slicking, honestly. I'm using the Shine and Jam, if I can get the top off. And I'm just going to start putting this all over my hair. And I'm going to go in with a tangle teaser to kind of smooth and get it in the right direction. Hey y'all, what's up? Just jumping in to give y'all a little clarity on what's going on. So I put a scrunchie at the top just so I could smooth all that hair into place and make sure I had it like where I wanted it. I applied the scrunchie, and then I'm separating my hair into 3 sections. I'm going ahead and making 1 plait, braiding it all the way down to the end. I'm flipping it over, and then I'm gonna bobby pin it in place. And then I'm going to, of course, take the lovely tropical root foam, and I am going to help slick my bun, my ponytail a little better with the foam. I'm going to go in with a fine tooth comb and really define it. I'm doing my edges real quick with the edge control, and then I'm going to wrap my hair, of course, with 2 scarves already. That's what I always do. Wrap it with 2 scarves just to make sure everything is nice and neat and in place. I'm gonna let that sit for a little bit or whatever, and then I'm gonna come back and start working on this bun. So bam, this is the hair I used. I used the Jamaican twist braid, the Equal brand. I used the color 1B/30. And so what I'm doing with this hair, I take the whole thing out the pack, and I'm using the whole pack of the Mariee twist hair, or the Jamaican twist hair. And I take 2 pieces each, and really, literally, so simple. I just tie it around my braid, and I do 2 little knots. I'm not doing no special feeding method, nothing. If you know how to make a knot, like when you tie your shoe, I literally just put it on there and I tie it. But I'm putting it in different directions just so they can be falling different places, and I just tied the whole pack on my hair. And then y'all, I literally just start moving it in the direction that I wanted. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna start talking for this last bit. So we're gonna see how this come through. I'm gonna take these scars off and I'm gonna start shaping the bun. I don't know if I want it like top knot style or slickety slick, or if I want it just big and fluffy. If I want it top knot style, I could do just like, so this really comes down to your preference now, like how you want your bun to be shaped. I just slid that bobby pin out from where I originally tacked it. And I'm gonna re-tack it, but now with the weave in there. Ooh, that's kind of cute. Now, y'all, I'm just playing around with the shape and the size, and I left these clips in there just to show, like, it's so many different ways that you can form the bun. So that's what you see me doing now, just playing around with the shape, the size, the height, and all that kind of stuff. So this is one possible way that you can style a super high top knot, and I really only have one bobby pin in my hair, and I probably honestly don't need that one bobby pin. If you don't like, you know, your buns this high, you could do something a little shorter and it'll be a little fatter. I actually like my bun like that though. I'll probably re-put that. So just take it out and just wrap the whole thing around the base. If you want it a little shorter, and if you wanted it bigger, you just wouldn't wrap as tight. Tuck your ends. Not as big, not as tall, a little tighter. And the height really depends on how you did your braid. So I just flipped mine because I wanted my bun a little higher. But yeah, so it really just depends on the height of the braid, how high your bun is gonna go. Now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna style it how I want for now. Another thing I like about this, because it's not like so permanent, I can take this bun down like you see I'm doing right now and rewrap it and reshape it or shift it how I want it to. And because it's Mariee hair, it really sticks to itself, so a lot of times you really don't have to use a bunch of bobby pins, if any. Like, you may be a little scared for security reasons, pop a couple in there, but I don't think I'll use any bobby pins. So let me go ahead and redo it how I had it. So for the top knot, how I'm gonna do it, I'm just gonna twist from the top and then work my way down. All right, that is super high, bro. And I may make it a little shorter because this is like super tall right now, but I still like it. What y'all think? What y'all think of the bun? I think it's a really cute protective style, and it kind of matches the texture of my hair almost, because I have wavy hair, and even though it's super sleek now, it's gonna get wavy over time because like my hair ain't just gonna stay sleek like this. But what y'all think of the top knot? I'm gonna have to duck my head getting in the car. Hey you guys, this is the final form of my bun for now. Yeah, I may change it like probably every day, to be honest, or I may just keep it like this. I really like it. I think it's super simple. It's a quick way to do it, and I think it's more healthier for your hair, because you know a lot of people do like top knots with Tricare and glue, and that ain't good for you. And then this one also works for us natural girls, because the Mariee hair mimics our natural texture. So if you have a more wavy bun, like you know how you can't get it super sleek, like I know I got some ripples back here. Hold on, let me show you. Like you see these ripples? And it's just gonna get more ripply as time goes on. So it helps mimic our natural hair a little better. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I got a couple more ideas of natural hairstyles that I want to do using just plain braiding hair. Like quick, cute styles that we can use. I don't know why everybody trying to be rude while I'm filming. Like my phone going off, the car, like somebody need to get a new muffler, because why? Okay, you guys. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you got a new technique out of this, and I hope y'all try it. If y'all do, please tag me on Instagram or wherever you post your pics of this bun. Tag me so I can see it. Like my Instagram handle will be right here, or right here. It's gonna be on one of these sides. But make sure you follow me on there, and if you do recreate this look, make sure to tag me in it, because I would love to see it. And I will catch you guys next Wednesday when I upload another video, because if you don't know, I upload every single Wednesday. So make sure you have that notification bell on, and I will catch you guys next time. Peace.